Where is it? Is that a baby jaguar? Is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Where's your shoes?
I don't want it.
You don't want it? Alright, let's go. So, figured if I'm gonna have another baby, mentally, I have to be prepared. As you guys can see, my eyes, they're like really sick. Because I'm coming out from my medicine. I feel like going to the mailbox right now, but not really. That's why I haven't been vlogging. Because I don't feel like getting up out of my bed. No one feels like getting up out of their bed.
It's big, Mommy.
What's big?
Not big. It's
The
big.
jaguar?
It's big jaguar.
It's a big jaguar?
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, sunshines. And I've been saying good morning in this vlog for the longest time, but yeah, it's actually another morning. I've been busy, like really busy, guys. Crusade's going on at our church right now, and I've been attending for the past week now. The last week I've been attending daily, and I have to go to the beauty supply store to get some hair, because as you guys can see, I am rocking a wig. So I have to go get some hair before my husband comes home, because as y'all know, he does not like me without hair. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys. Sorry. So I have to go get an outfit for church. Some outfits for the boys, because they're growing so fast that their clothes are starting to not to fit. So I have to get them some church clothes. I get my hair done, my nails done. Gotta get my nails filled. What else? Today's Thursday, so there's no crusade tonight. So I have to get everything done, and then I have to start my hair. I have to start braiding my hair. So I'm gonna go do all of that in one day. So I don't know. Do you think I can get everything done in one day, sunshines? I don't know. Maybe. I think so. But so let's run down what it is that I'm doing again. So 1, I'm going to get hair. So I'm going to the beauty supply store. 2, I'm going to get outfits for everyone for church for Sabbath. And 3rd, I'm going to go film my nails because they're looking rough. And then that should be it. And then come home, clean my house, start laundry, and start my hair, and start dinner. That sounds like a lot, but, and I'm on no meds today. Yay! So, yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit because I'm driving. Are you digging your nose? Are those all the pennies?
Huh?
Are those all the pennies that you had in your lap?
Yeah.
Can you sit down and pick them up and put your belt back on, please? We're about to leave. Could you sit down, put your belt back on?
Wait.
What do you mean, wait? So far, it's 1:01, and all I've managed to do is my nails. Done my nails. I went to the booty supply store. Sounds so wrong. I went to the beauty supply store, and I got me a pack of these Cuban twists, and I got the 12-inch because I intend to cut them. And I also got me a pack of, I got 3 packs of those, and I got me a pack of this. It has 10 combs in there. Now, this was, can you guys see that? Can you see it? Yeah, $4.99. These were $5.99 a pack. I don't know why I don't buy it offline. I don't know why I don't buy it offline. I don't never listen. And I got some of these. Those were $1. And this one, $1. So yeah. But the nail lady that did my nail, she was pretty fast. I'm gonna go see her from now on because yeah, she's fast. So I'm gonna go get something to eat. I was gonna go get stuff for the kids to wear to church tomorrow, but I'm too tired. I'm done.
You pay for them.
Good morning, sunshines! Oh, it's another day that I'm saying good morning. This is like 5 vlogs wrapped up in one, so enjoy it. Get who I have right here. Say good morning to the sunshines.
Yeah, good morning.
Sunshines. Say good morning, sunshines.
Good morning.
Say good morning, sunshines.
No.
You will address my viewers as sunshine. Say it now. Say it.
I'm driving. You want us to veer off the road?
Say good morning, sunshine.
No.
I'm gonna take your glasses off. But anyways, I did my hair. As you can see, nice and pretty. Okay. It took me 7 hours. It took me. That was a bit uncalled for. That was a bit uncalled for. But you poop
Glasses. I'm uncalled for. I remember that when you want to come poke something. You ain't poking this. But I'm uncalled for. What? Men say the darndest thing, and then when they want to come poke something, they want to come. But anyways, if my face look really light today, it's because I'm trying out a new foundation, and I didn't have enough time to put my makeup. I love you. Oh, did I show you guys my nail? Yep. Where am I? I don't even know. So pretty. Oh, angel. Well, my face to me. Angel. You're my darling. Angel. Girl, you're my friend and I'm in need. Angel. But who's gonna have your back when it's all done? So good when you look like you're one time be a fool, so don't worry about the long run. Looking back at the lowest convention, 7 up, dripping on with attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna tell the nation my appreciation. You're my angel, you're my darling angel. What's that face for? You should be happy. It's early morning. He has to work tomorrow. No, tonight. He has to work tonight. So that's why he's here in my car. Anyways, I think that's it for this vlog. It's boring. There ain't nothing in there. But we're going to do his tanker, so if he passes, I'll update. If not, then that's it for the vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And now I'm up to 28 sunshines, and I appreciate every single last one of my sunshines. So thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate the support. Bye.